Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2020 Ford Transit Connect. Now this one here does come with 45,000 miles upon the clock. It's a 5-door short wheelbase small van, and it does also come with heated seats, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity, an automatic transmission, and 3 cloth-lined seats upon the interior as well. Now this is a lovely little van. It does come with plenty of cargo space in the back. Not only is it ply lined and interior lit in here, but there are also cargo rings to add on any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you this space from the back as well. Now, as you can see, there is a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead. It's just that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. And if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Connect, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It is in the description of this video as well. Or you can head over to our site in Papworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more.